Hello everyone, a very good day to all of you. I'm Adrizabani, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study in Shade Birutam Lieutenant Anwar Girls College. Today I'll talk about the importance of learning English and why I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. First of all, we all know that English is an international language. It's the most commonly spoken language all over the world. It helps us in every sphere of our life. If we want to travel any country or if we want to work with international organizations, it helps us a lot. And if we have a good command in English, it will help us to get good jobs, and it will also help us in our higher education. And I think Mohsin Smart English Learning is a perfect course where we can learn English very perfectly. It helps me a lot in my life, and I think it will also help me in my future. So I think we all should do the course of Mohsin Smart English Learning, which will help a lot in our life. Thank you.